Hello?
Why? Okay, I told them we have unexpected developments. Unexpected developments at our secretariat. That is where we take off from. And related to illness. And I can't give you the full details of the illness. That is significant enough for me to ask for an adjournment. You understand what I mean? Yes. That will be here tomorrow.
As in, we're having about 19 days left. The agreement has been assigned. Would this be a setback?
I don't want to tell you how long I've been doing this job. I took that into consideration before asking for the adjournment. Never mind. The days we have, we will conclude our case. We'll present the petitioner's story to your satisfaction.
Thank you.
All the documents we tendered today were certified through copies of documents from INEC, documents duly certified by them and authenticated by them. So we are now pushing in these documents. When we finish with this, then we'll proceed to calling our witnesses to provide oral testimony. So that's what we have done today. Thank you very much.
It's looking like, sir, you have...
Thank you, sir.
You don't want to comment beyond that.